Repeat after me. Δεν καταλαβαίνω. I don't understand. Δεν καταλαβαίνω. Δεν καταλαβαίνω. Repeat after me. Δεν καταλαβαίνω. Super useful and polite. And I write it once again. Δεν It's like alpha iota. The sound is the same. There are cases that we use for the sound epsilon. There are other cases we use alpha iota. There are cases we use O, the sound O, as an omega when it is a suffix in a verb, or as an omicron, depending on some special cases and spelling rules. But you can memorize the words, and in this way you do not need the grammatical rules. You can just learn them by heart. Δεν καταλαβαίνω. It's a verb. I don't understand.